Hey guys, good to finally get out on the trail again this year. Just doing a little 5-mile out and back. A place called Spencer's Butte. Just the highest point in Lane County in Oregon, near Eugene. So, this is our trip. Well, getting a little bit of rain out here, but man, I don't care. It is so good to be on a trail again after this long winter. This is literally 5 minutes from my house, and it's gorgeous. Hey guys, come within half a mile of the summit here and just taking a little break. This is the first time I've used an Nalgene bottle because I always use smart water bottles, but I didn't have one in the house, so you know what, I'm kind of grateful to have this now. Anyway, beautiful day, lots of people out, as you can hear. Hi. All right, let's go look at the top. So, a lot of steps up here as we get close to the summit, and they're fairly slick since it's raining, but no problem so far for me. Seen a couple of people almost tumble, but getting closer to the top. Hey guys, so nice little practice hike to start the season here. Glad you could come along. And years ago I had this idea with my wife that it would be cool to do mundane things in extraordinary places. So the mundane thing is having a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I've had a peanut butter and jelly sandwich on top of some of the highest mountains and in extraordinary places, and I'm hungry, so time for a sandwich. Well, while I'm hanging out of here, suppose I can check in with you guys, just as got nothing to do but walk and enjoy the view. But if you're still watching, you know, it's a good time to talk about why day hikes are important. You know, I got big plans for backpacking and climbing mountains this year, but haven't really made time to get out on the trails. The weather's just garbage and so cold. But honestly, 2.5 weeks, I have plans to go up Mount Hood. And I gotta admit, I mean, you can tell, I've gotten fat over the wintertime. And I've got all kinds of exercise equipment, but haven't been using it. So I've gained about 30 pounds since I went up Mount St. Helens. Link to that. So, you know, the idea that I'm just going to go climb a mountain right from the start as my first trip, that's not realistic. So getting out here gave me a chance to, one, try some new gear, two, break in these shoes that I haven't worn since October, and three, just see how well I can tolerate elevation. So 2.5 miles, couple thousand feet elevation. So, you know, a pretty good climb today, but nothing like climbing Mount Hood in the snow. So, but have to say, starting out, I felt a little rusty. Felt a little winded right from the start. I was a bit alarmed, but I'll tell you what, that's something you can expect on your first backpacking trip. And don't worry, it's after a little bit of time, body adapts and it all feels good. So get out there on the hiking trails or wherever you can, break in your gear, break in those muscles before you do an overnighter. It's just good to be out. Just so good. So good. Well, thanks for joining me. It's really nice to be outside, make a video that isn't staring at my head talking about gear. So thank you for being here. Hope you come back. If you enjoy these things, you know, consider subscribing. Maybe hit the like button, but if not, whatever. I'm just glad you're here. And appreciate you. Appreciate this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.